Hello students. Today we are going to start the mutual induction. Now what is mutual induction? See this figure properly. This is here we can see there are two coils. One is called the primary coil, one is called the secondary coil. In this coil we have a cell through which current can pass, a rheostat and a switch. This is a cell, this is a rheostat to change the current, cell to source of current, and this is a switch to on off the circuit. And there is one more identical coil, but here we have only one galvanometer, nothing else. It is observed that whenever we are, suppose initially the switch is off, okay, the key is closed, open, the key is open, and we see that galvanometer is reading 0. Okay, now suddenly if you on the switch, if you close the key, when you close the key you see that there is a momentary deflection in the galvanometer. There is a momentary deflection in the galvanometer. Acha. Now what is happening? Now due to this momentary deflection, a current is produced. Okay, this current is produced which is showing the momentary deflection in the galvanometer. Now students, so this type of current induced in the secondary coil is called mutual induction. So what is mutual induction? See, if we place two coils near each other, then and pass current in one of them or change the current or stop the current, then an EMF is induced in the secondary coil. This phenomena is called electromagnetic induction, mutual induction. So mutual induction means what? We are passing current in the primary coil and this is inducing a current in the secondary coil. This is called mutual induction. Okay. Now see, coefficient. Now what is happening? Suppose this secondary coil has N2 turns and phi 2 is the flux linked with the coil. So N2 into phi 2 is proportional to I1. What is I1? I1 is the current produced in the I1 is the current produced in the primary coil, passing in the primary coil. Okay, I1 is the current in the primary coil. So N2 I2 proportional to I1. So N2 phi 2 is equal to M I1, where M is called coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. So M is equal to N2 phi 2 by I1. Now see, from here we can get, if I1 is 1, suppose we are taking I1 is equal to 1. So what we can say? If I1 is 1, then what will happen? The M2 is equal to N2 phi 2. So thus coefficient of mutual induction of two coil is equal to the number of magnetic flux linkages in one coil when unit current is passing through it. Okay. So this is the definition of mutual inductance. Unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Okay. The coefficient of mutual induction of two coil is, okay, so this is the unit. The SI unit is Henry. So 1 Henry, when induced EMF of 1 volt is set up. So 1 Henry is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere per second. Okay. So what is the definition of Henry? The mutual inductance of two coil is 1 Henry when an induced EMF of 1 volt is set up in one of them due to a current changing at the rate of 1 ampere per second. Suppose I have a secondary coil, primary coil, where the current is changing 1 ampere per second, and this change of current of 1 ampere per second is inducing a current of 1 volt in the secondary coil. So in that case the mutual inductance will be 1 Henry. Now let's come to here, self-induction. See, till now we were studying about mutual induction, means where one current in one coil was inducing current in the second coil. Now here the thing is not that. Here the same coil current is inducing a current in the opposite direction in the same coil. Here there is no two coil. In one coil, whenever the current is growing or when the current is decaying, or any change, whenever there is a change in the current in the primary coil, then that change will bring a current in the opposite direction in the secondary coil. So this in the same coil, not primary, not secondary, in the same coil. This is called what? Self inductance. Or everything is similar to that, formula same, everything same. Here only in place of M, what we are writing? We are writing I. So L is equal to N phi B phi by I. So L is equal to N phi by I. Now if I is 1, then L is equal to N phi. So same definition, even the unit of mutual inductance is also the same, that is the Henry. So mutual inductance or self inductance, both unit is what? The Henry. Okay. Some examples of the effect of self inductance. In resistance box, the coils are doubly wound to overcome the resistance, overcome the self inductance. So to overcome the self inductance, this thing are done. Please go through this part and the chapter is completed. In the next video, we will discuss about the numericals. Okay students, have a nice day.